Margie here with Leeway Preschool 123, trying to think about how to fix the issue created by YouTube where you can't save things to your playlists anymore. My way around it is temporary, it's a pain in the neck, but it'll get you by. If you have any ideas, I'd love to hear them. Just put them in the comments below. All right, I made 2 videos already that might help this issue. The first is how to save a video to your desktop and put it in a folder. And in effect, those folders would be like a type of playlists. You could have, um, community helpers folder, seasons folder, holidays folder, and just click and drag into that folder. Another video I have is how to click and drag onto your whiteboard, thus making different playlists. So the first video is this one, and the second video is here. By the way, you might want to check out Leeway Preschool 123's channel. It's filled with playlists that are built upon curriculums of our school. It's done by seasons, subcategorized into the different months, and all of the curriculum elements that would be included in there, as well as shapes, colors, numbers, how to deal with feelings, and other things that would be affecting the lives of children in school. I hope that helps you. Come on down to Leeway Preschool 123, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.